My fucking god. Oh my fucking...
Yes, footage has emerged of two men setting fire to a mosque in East Sussex. Have a look. Yes, and then there was a church in West London, St Mark's, circa 1846, set on fire.
The church, actually an incredibly beautiful church, not only from the outside but from the inside.
And this isn't an isolated incident either. A few months back, there was a church set on fire in Wales. Now this is on top of many churches all around Europe, including France, like this one, getting set on fire. Now you've got to ask yourself, is this coincidence or not?